Słownictwo. Pisownia i wymowa. Angielski od zera. Słownictwo związane z żeglarstwem.
Słownik ten jest poświęcony słownictwu związanemu z żeglarstwem. Litera A.
After peak, backstay, at a stag, address, after deck, agent, safety pin. Generator, battery, alert, alarm, spotlight, cushion, ammeter. Aerial, antenna, anti-skid, anti-slip, mizzen staysail, topsail, first aid kit, plotting sheet, cancel. Owner, escort, emergency bilge pump, azimuth.
Litera B.
Dipstick, bayonet, close reach, bin, reach, backstay, running backstay, ballast. Ballast keel, bandage, elastic bandage, parcel, courtesy flag, ensign, country flag. Tabling, near gale, easy, bark, barge, barkentine. Barometer, basin, barrel, lashing, gasoline, petrol. Concrete, dismasted, mizzen, mizzenmast, mizzen staysail, fuse. Safe, directly, straight, barrel, white squall, neutral gear, idle gear, gear. Positive terminal, negative terminal, customs office, mistake, error, block, cylinder block. Double block, block with becket, anchor buoy, flash, flash. Boom, royal, boathook, bosun, bosun, harbour master's office, gate. T-gallant, brace, spinnaker guy, bow breast, stern breast, top. Brig, brigantine, panel, shore, coast, coastline, windward shore, lee shore. Coil, coil, bowsprit, porthole, bulbkeel, side. Storm, thunderstorm, gas bottle, standby.
Litera C.
Inch, full, particulars, tabernacle, certificate of registry, coil. Point well, pull, fine, thin, carpenter, und, straight, narrow, weight. Heavy weather, pressure, oil pressure, calm, LUL, mooring line. Bowline, stern line, berth, dock, moor, mooring, docking, mooring man, clamp. Cylinder, point, dividers, compass, Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, local time, lieutenant, Universal Time Coordinated, UTC. Bailer, frequency, man overboard, four-stroke, clean, clear. Reed, quarter.
Litera D.
Dacron, dolphin, date, deadwood, customs declaration, declare. Magnetic variation, dolphin striker, floor plank, rain, sleet, detergent. Deviation, topping lift, length, overall, lower, wavelength, longitude, length on waterline. Chisel, bottom, forward, addition, dock, trough. Adjust, fed, provider, ship chandler, available, conspicuous. Spotted, reach, command, ladder, wood, timber, vibrate. Pebbles, general cargo, wire, leeway, sea anchor, drift. Adrift, spar, club, watertight door, rollick, suffocation, Yankee. Two-stroke, smoke, nozzle, action, logbook, ship's log. Bow, pitch, head to wind, stem, hole, bell. Junk, sound, crane, lever, gear lever.
Litera E.
Target, electrode, electronic, electronic equipment, junction box, electrician.
Litera F.
Halyard, wave, swell, choppy sea, wind wave, following sea. Breaking sea, painter, breakwater, bulwark, paint, primer. Anti-fouling paint, filter, air filter, fin keel, fjord, flagstaff. Distress flare, jib, foresail, course, working jib, spitfire, storm jib, foremast, foredeck. Run, forepeak, forestay, fort, frigaday. Function.
Litera G.
Engine seating, gaff, gallery, throat, dry chemical extinguisher, fire extinguisher. Foam extinguisher, fire fighting, clewline, jinner, flexible, deep. Depth meter, loudspeaker, cylinder head, headboard, heads, principal, major. Socket, step, gudgeon, valve seat, gong, buntline. Hail, weight of canvas, anchorage limit, grating, bulkhead, mainsail. Mainmast, fisherman's staysail, main staysail, course, thick, grommet, crest. Rubber, a razor, violent storm, rapidly, gale, guarantee. Whistle, nail.
Litera H.
Tack, tackline, beat against the wind, brake, grab rail, helicopter, tow. Tug, tugboat, quarter berth, hurricane, fire hydrant.
Litera I.
telltale, star finder, needle, illuminator, skylight, vice, incident. Information, tourist information, inspection, inspector, offshore installation, instruction. Point higher, stem the tide.
Litera J.
Cabin yacht, yacht club, motor sailor, racer, cruiser, sailing yacht. Jackstay, gammon iron, shelf, unit, lake, yawl. Bermudian yawl, jumper struts, jumper stay, sail twine, twine.
Litera K.
Cable, CBL, power cord, capstan, cabin, navigation room, hull, galley. Life jacket, channel, buoy channel, port canal, port channel, exchange office, captain, master, skipper. Harbour master, harbour master's office, carabiner, course made good, CMG, knee, protractor. Square, thimble, ketch, Bermudian ketch, dock, berth, key, pier, cat. Glass, direction, baton pocket, keel, keelson, wake. Head, sheet lead, overfalls, serve, serving, hatch. Pipe cot, French coil, Flemish coil, clear, furl, adhesive, glue. Battery clamp, king plank, garboard strake, cliff, wedge, ridge. Jib, lapper, padlock, spanner, adjustable wrench, key, wrench, spanner. Fairlead, lead, center lead, roller fairlead, cleat, jam cleat, clam cleat, fire blanket. Code, bunk, V-berth, pipe cot, cockpit, railway. Wooden dowel, metal dowel, collision, pin rail, collar, lifebuoy. Helm, flywheel, ratchet, gear wheel, pillar, pliers. Command, order, chain locker, engine room, compass, weather report, capacitor, condenser. Finish, end, hemp, consequences, container ship, downhile, lazy sheet, windward sheet. Customs inspection, passport inspection, port inspection, cupola, handle, winch, crank, plug, cap. Strum box, cathead, baggy wrinkles, anchor, fisherman's anchor, plough anchor, CQR. Danforth, anchorage, blacksmith, tap, swivel, point. Crutch, mug, cup, forecastle, cook, stove, gas stove. Cook, spherical, proceed, shrink, stopcock, course. Course over ground, cog, cutter, masthead cutter, gaff cutter, square, neap.
Litera L.
Lifeline, safety line, varnish, laminate, flashlight, lantern, lighthouse, Lieutenant Ho. Lightship, Lieutenant Vess. Funnel, port, port, left-handed, left. Red to red, number, meter, foot, head, luff. Leech, luff wire, bolt rope, mast groove, line, rope, towing line. Cable, anchor line, braided line, three-strand line, coastline, line of position, position line, wind's eye. Water line, parallel ruler, ruler, buoyant line, crew list, rubbing strake, bumper. Batten, spell, solid, pilot, glacier, refrigerator. Binoculars, airport, solder, soldering iron, loose, loosen.
Litera EU.
Charge, cargo, gentle breeze, chain, cable, anchor chain, timing chain. Engine mounting, flukes, patch, bosun's chair, bank, bench. Connect, slat, laugh, cradle, ball bearing, bearing, open boat. Half-decked boat, lifeboat, rescue boat.
Litera M.
Magnetic, small craft, decreasing, paint, throttle, chart. Marlin, topsail, lower topsail, upper topsail, ripples, marlin spike. Swell, slack water, seaman, deckhand, bulk carrier, bulker, mast, jury mast. Sewing machine, engine room, fiberglass mat, mattress, material, sand. Engineer, mechanic, mess room, metal, meter, haze, fog. Mist, tape meter, centerboard, dagger plate, copper, international code of signals. At places, berth, soft, tender, gauge, meter, mixture, nautical mile, nanometer. Pass, sump, hammer, wattage, may, cable. Gunnel, wet, pier, talk, coin, marine, maritime. High sea, rough sea, brass, bridge, swing bridge, lifting bridge. Suspension bridge, fixed bridge, bridge deck, bridge, motorboat, drizzle, mooring. Have to, yaw.
Litera N.
Anchored, aground, high and dry, on deck, on board, aboard, butted. Outside, lights in line, leading lights, press, dish, vessel, transmit. Superstructure, bulwark, topside, pin, belaying pin, pin rail, award. Least depth, nut, wing nut, cap, bearing, radar fix. Bearing finder, plot, propulsion, voltage, repair, mend, repair, fix. Opposite, ahead, corner, tool, standby, tune. Intensity, amperage, immediate, weather helm, windward, navigation. Dead reckoning, navigator, overhang, thread, twine, yarn, inoperative, cannot. Not under command, distress, danger, dangerous, sky, neglect, negligence. Unlit, unreliable, obscured, minor, unable, somewhat. Nickel, low water, rivet, low, cyclone, peak, scissors. Knife, registration number, serial number, diver, nylon.
Litera O.
Clippers, vang, kicking strap, boom downhauler, breaking strain, stranger, foreigner, cover, belay. Next to, mandatory, compulsory, obligatory, rotation, revolution, RPM, engine revolution, sight. Area, military area, circumference, circuit, receive, fender. Noseband, bow fender, receipt, shut off, cut off, subtract, distance. Distant, isolated danger, isolated, put up the helm, bear away, head away, fall off, fire, ebb, drain, bunghole. Self-draining, answer, responsible, deaerate, bleed, clearance, dehydration. Projection, refloat, officer, mate, fire, link, restricted. Speed limit, limited ability to maneuver, bounded, heating, lining, occlusion. Round, round bilged, round, fitting, hound, kranze iron. Gooseneck, oil, hydraulic oil, diesel, engine oil, running rigging. Standing rigging, lead, lead line, band, whipping, whip, description. Describe, charge, fee, foul, wrapping, round, tire. Resistor, bail, abandon, leave, spindle, axis, pintle, close hauled. Caution, prudence, warning, put down the helm, luff up, head up, heave up, high and dry, bounded, receive.
Litera U.
Figure of 8.
Litera P.
Post, bit, waddings oakum, fuel, stove, sandpaper, toile paper. Ship's particulars: safety harness, strap, belt, life belt, traffic lane, trade wind. Pantry, permanently, paintbrush, crack, cracked, loop. Bowline, sand, ring, mooring ring, eye with toggle, spacer. Compression ring, oil ring, heel, foot, peak, saw. Hacksaw, urgently, file, pilot, tweezers, vertical. Jetty, beer, pay, flat, band-aid, plastic. Tangle, payment, floating beacon, safe water buoy, whistle buoy, mooring buoy. Convoy, bell buoy, cardinal buoy, pillar buoy, spherical buoy, isolated danger buoy. Conical buoy, spar buoy, smoke buoy, light buoy, braided, ballast keel. Rudder blade, flame, on fire, sailcloth, shoal, bank, liquid. Antifreeze, shallow, tide, neap tide, spring tide, buoyancy. Pneumatic, rudder trunk, shaft tube, mast rake, upstream, approach. Washer, shim, spring washer, horseshoe lifebuoy, underlined, attached, install. Plug, subject to change, floor, gust, hoist, pick up, dress the ship. Sign, base, chain plate, submarine, double, bits. Deepen, dredge, dredged, turn, capacity, deck. Foredeck, afterdeck, beam, strand, cover, sail cover. Hatch, lid, cover, cover, pint, joint, recommend, post, bollard, bit. Bollard with stopper, block cheeks, policy, insurance certificate, polyurethane, south. Meridian, prime meridian, measurements, particulars, help, assistance, navigational aids, jetty. Pump, double action pump, centrifugal pump, diaphragm pump, self-priming pump, semi-rotary pump. Injection pump, bilge pump, sustain, dinghies, ender, correct, correction. Port, harbor, destination, commercial harbor, yacht harbor, home port, port visited. Move, gusty, mud berth, search and rescue, planking, require. Affirmative, roger, confirm, inform, surface, sail area, light air. Liability, cause, building, repeat, say again, outside. Dismasted, level, sea level, horizontal, permission, entry permission. Position, fix, estimated position, shelf, open lead, half lead, semicircle. Hemisphere, north, half, half hitch, beam reach, peninsula. Underwater works, current, fair tide, stream, foul tide, generator. Fire nozzle, laundrette, laundry, starboard, right of way, starboard, right-handed. Speed, speed over ground, preventer, try, attempt, procedure, percent. Outlook, weather forecast, ferry, radius, request, rectangular. Rectifier, straight, lead, guide, traveler, track, horse, puncture, becoming. Storage, list, heel the boat, heel, leak, cut. Lock nut, in front of, ahead, extension cord, tiller extension, forward arm. Overheat, pass, passage, relay, spacer, gearbox. Reverse and reduction, worm gear, cross, switch, spell, make way. Transfer, portable VHF, portable, regulation, transfer, span. Comply with, move, clearance, obstruction, chafe, expired. Pin, toggle, lashing, seizing, pressure pipe, guide, wiring, fuel lines. Approximate, swell, breaking seas, coastal, bouton, cover, cup, cover. Cape, flood, instrument, acceleration, point, punch. Hollow, can.
Litera R.
Distress flare, receipt, bill, radar, radio beacon, reef, parachute flare. Hank, frame, weather report, salvage, rescuer, lifeboatman, rescue. Handle, rust, core, reaction, reef, radar reflector. Reef lines, reef, roller reefing, reef point, race, rule. Regulation, yard, register, rail, guardrail, kringle, representative. Resuscitation, sailmaker's palm, seaman's palm, nautical almanac, roller, sheave, diagonal. Shipwreck, developing, stretch, extend, spreading, rip, torn, ripped. Distributor, roll, extensive, size, span, scattered. Thinner, starter, head, tack, foghorn, reed, clue. Equator, latitude line, latitude parallel, headway, sternway, traffic, running. Stern, counterstern, transom stern, canoe stern, aft, tiller. Emergency tiller, pipe, suction pipe, exhaust pipe, root, king plank. Velcro, heaving line, messenger line.
Litera S.
Spreaders, cross trees, dip the ensign, fathom, scheme, ladder, stairs, stairs. Bosun's locker, shelter, refuge, mast hoop, gasket, sextant, quarter, sector. Axe, storm, engine, outboard engine, inboard engine, strong breeze. Sisal, skylight, scale, rock, sunken rock, heading, bound. Plywood, variable pitch, tide range, pitch, stroke, leather. Leather, turn, sprain, scrub, scraper, shortcut. Bermudian sloop, grease, lubricant, lubricator, tar, lens, sounder. Lead line, sounding, falling, combustion, exhaust fumes, weld. Spinnaker, spinnaker boom, list of lights, Admiralty list of radio signals, ALRS, tangled, flush. Check, compression, spring, clutch, dog clutch, disc clutch. Coupling, steady, fuel station, pilot station, radio station, stationary. Steel, stainless steel, cable, wire, heave to, obstruct, able seaman. Chief officer, chief mate, midshipman, watch leader, stability, vessel, ship, cargo ship, stand-on vessel. Cruise ship, standing beacon, fixed beacon, topmast, forestay, rudder, helm, steering gear, helmsman. Steering wires, steer, helm, pinch, pilot house, steerage way, post. Keel, shipyard, standing, stanchion, stand, rail stanchion, chart table. Foot, foot, stopper, rolling hitch, degree, gradually, feet. Cone, conical, loss, loss, zone, traffic separation scheme, TSS. Strobe, steep, side, bow thrust, stern thrust, carbon brush. Contacts, dry, kink, sliding hatch, bulb, pintle. Gudgeon pin, keel bolts, time signal, horn, call signal, siren, horn. Cardinal system, vessel traffic scheme, VTS, lateral system, synopsis, weather summary, estimated time of arrival, ETA, estimated time of departure, ETD. Locker, cabinet, jolly boat, pull rope, hard chine, brush, landlubber. Wire cutters, shackle, snap shackle, safety harness, latitude, seam. Glass, lens, damage, schooner, staysail schooner, boat builder. Squall, sand, grind, sheet, deckhand, boom claw. Spotlight, scupper, bunghole, splice, long splice, short splice, back splice. Eye splice, gaff yaws, spring, stay, staysail, wishbone staysail. Storm, lee board, sweat, stanchion, hitch, stiff. Faster, smartly, quickly, sew, neck, track, traveler.
Litera si.
Fernbuckle, bottle scree, bulkhead, sewage, race, clamp, plane. Lock, fair, mean, average, diameter, inland, midship, bolt, screw. Dog screw, propeller, Roman screw, feathering propeller, screwdriver, rating certificate. Witness, navigation light, flashing light, anchor light, masthead light, quick flashing light. Occulting light, stern light, fixed light, alternating light, sparking plug, heat plug. Candle, skylight, illuminator, fresh breeze.
Litera T.
Deviation table, tide tables, steady, rigging, standing rigging, bunker. Awning, tent, thermometer, piston, plunger, toilets, sinking. Tonnage, masthead, truck, top, topping lift, topsail, topmast stay, fairway. Tanker, friction, insulating tape, reflective tape, temperature, rate. Transmission, transportation, life raft, beam, navigational triangle, protractor, strap. Grease gun, waterspout, trysail, trawling, trawler, mine trawler. Sky, trim, trim, spindle, holding, bush, tube. Liner, gudgeon, danboy.
Litera U.
Insurance, insured, ear, eye, ring, hit, facilities, prove. Estuary, shower, moderate breeze, agreement, contract, wash basin, immobilize. Avoid, floating, salve, appliance, gauge, steering gear. Official, services, settled, established, set, failure. Gasket, cork, seal, caulking, drown, hardener. Caution, beware, release, winding.
Litera W.
Underway, seaward, in line, in proximity, in vicinity, approximately, watch. Driving shaft, camshaft, propeller shaft, shaft, cylinder, vang. Shroud, diamonds, coat of paint, condition, bobstay, scupper. Fire hose, valid, winch, enter, run aground, entrance. Venting system, vent, knot, knots, hitch, bend, double sheet bend, flag knot, belay hitch. Reef knot, bowline, fisherman's bend, slippery knot, stopper knot, sheet bend. Message, mariners, bucket, prevailing wind, backing wind, heading wind. Visibility, drill, drill, drill bit, watchtower, ligament. Pennant, telltale, fold, windlass, winch, oar, paddle, row. Impeller, eddies, screw, propper, dredge, drag. Fiberglass, seawater, fresh water, seaweeds, watertight, lunch. Freeboard, sailbag, vodka, trolley, cradle, traveler. Wreck, rib, east, revolution indicator, stanchion, astern. Injector, plug, bail, clove hitch, roach, explosion. Hal out, withdraw, exhaustion, exhausted, capacity, expenses. June, expired, exit, twisted, switch, require. Exchange, scantlings, replace for, accident, fill, discharge. Displacement, buoyancy, fed, overtake, high water, height, altitude, air draft. Island, isle, bumpkin, vent, capsize, high, anticyclone, bilge stinger. Shelf, relative, take a bearing, charge, strengthen.
Litera Z.
Kink, under bare poles, downstream, overboard, free of charge, astern. Secure, blocked, stalled, overcast, cloudy, west, wire clamp. Tighten, alongside, distress, lost, engaged in fishing, prohibited, forbidden. Turn, bit, plaster, crew, overhaul, gate. Lock, intention, intent, closed, pollution, draft. Submerged, ship chandler, Paul, matches, lighter, spare. Record, ignition, invite, invitation, close reefed, rules. Range, superseded, replaced, bay, gulf, trough, hinge, gimbals. Suspended, lee helm, leeward, split pin, cotter pin, valve, seacock. Flap valve, shut-off valve, overflow valve, oil pressure relief valve, inlet valve, exhaust valve. Non-return valve, tank, approach, collision, collide with, photo, picture. Ability, seaworthiness, able, seaworthy, teeth, companionway. Broken, chart datum, outer, bilge, hermit, rot. Agreement, cyclonic, ground, earth, connection, broken, contractor. Sink, icing, bad, smashed, change, variation. Variable, reduce, decrease, shorten sail, sign, mark, decimal, landmark. Navigational mark, top mark, damaged, destroyed, discount, leeway, bound, obliged. Stay, leave, combing, understood, stitch, fuel consumption. Warn, used, release, short circuit, coil, turn of the tide, jibe, jibe, jibe. Tack.
Litera Z.
Glow coil, light bulb, sail, head sail, gunter, gaff sail, lug sail. Sail aback, fore and aft sail, square sail, sprit sail, sail locker, sailmaker. Tall ship, request, claim, request, claim, rib, maritime, sailor, seaman. Navigable, shipping, token, davit, gravel, resin.
Słownictwo. Pisownia i wymowa. Angielski od zera. Słownictwo związane z żeglarstwem. Zapraszam na kolejny wykład z tego samego cyklu.